In this video, I'm going to discuss with you one of the most overlooked and underexplained secrets regarding writing powerful chords and melodies. Then I'm going to show you what you can do to apply these secrets to your own chords and melodies so that you can make powerful music. This underexplained and overlooked secret I'm referring to is harmony. To understand how to make great chords and melodies, you have to understand harmony. This is harmony. If we have a melody, and then a set of chords, on their own, they're just a set of chords and a melody. But when played together, we have harmony. Harmony is that sound you get when multiple lines of music come together simultaneously to create one satisfying musical movement. Here's another example. If we take this drone, that drone is very beautiful by itself, but only when we play it simultaneously with another line of music, like a set of chords, does the drone come alive, and together they create a beautiful harmony. Harmony is that thing that emotionally connects us to our favorite songs. Like, sure, we could fall in love with a certain lyric or a certain catchy melody or set of chords, but I think what emotionally connects us to the song the most is not these elements individually, but rather how beautifully they all work together. In other words, all these elements working together create this unique and satisfying harmony, and that harmony is what we really connect to the most. Watch this. On its own, a melody is just a melody out in thin air. Melodies on their own can have some satisfying harmony qualities, but it's only when I bring together a good set of chords with this melody does this melody fully come to life and reach its maximum emotional potential. Which, by the way, this in my opinion is one of the greatest harmonies of all time. It's from Avicii Silhouette. I did not come up with this. Let's do another one. Here's a melody. Notice how it's simple and not necessarily crazy unique in any way. When you bring in the chords, the overall harmony, that melody now has identity and purpose. By the way, this piece of music is from Language by Porter Robinson. And what's cool about this piece is he even had another main element to the overall harmony that really tied the song together. That is such a pretty harmony. So how do we put this all together? Well, the secret to making powerful chords and melodies is to focus really hard on how well those chords and melodies work together, because that relationship is where all of the emotional power of your song lies. But how do we do that? How do we create chords and melodies that are so strong together that they steal the hearts and souls of your listeners every time? Well, if I knew the perfect answer to that, I would have written every hit song in the world, and I'd probably be a music billionaire. But that's not the case. But I do have advice that has worked for countless students of mine, and I have no doubt will work for you too. And that advice is to write a lot of chords and melodies. I think that it's just a numbers game. The more chord and melody combos that you write, the better chance you have at landing on that gem of a harmony that is worth sharing with the world. Well, let me show you what I mean. Usually, if I want to start a song, I'll start with a set of chords, and then a melody, some atmospheric stuff, I like this a lot. I could spend the next 15 hours developing this into a full releasable song, but what if I just took the next couple hours and made 10 more of these, there's a really good chance that I will come up with something better. And if I don't come up with something better, I know that this is the best I can do at this time. It's the most emotionally effective piece of music that I could write right now, and that would be enough validation to go ahead and develop this into a full song. But that's how you can set yourself up to writing songs that have really powerful chords and melodies. Get really good at writing chords and melodies, and then get even better at choosing the best chords and melodies you've written so that you can make really strong songs every time. That's a video for you guys. If you don't know how to write chords and melodies, you should check out my course below and learn chord and melody writing under my personal guidance. Book your free consultation below and we can discuss if the course is a good option for you. And I will see you guys in the next video lesson.